Hey friends, my name is Asanka and welcome you all to my channel. And a big thank you for all the viewers and subscribers. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do, because in this channel we will show you not only to fix vehicles but to innovate things at your home. As many of you know, this is my daily driver. Doing regular maintenance on this vehicle ensures me a reliable, comfortable vehicle. This is a look under the hood of my daily driver. This vehicle has a petrol 800cc 3-cylinder engine. Now it's time to test the coolant part of the engine. Now this is the coolant reservoir and this is the radiator cap. The radiator is responsible to keep your engine running cool at all times, because a combustion engine is going to be very hot, and the water coolant system will keep that water circulating through the engine and making the engine cool. And on top of the radiator cap it says never open when hot, because this contains boiling water, and if you get boiling water on your skin it will be very dangerous. So what you need to do is open the reservoir tank of the coolant and see the maximum limit. My coolant is in green color, and in this particular model you can take the reservoir tank out, and in this tank on the side of it says engine coolant only, and this is the full limit and this is the lower limit. If you take a look at inside this reservoir tank, this is my finger hovering on top of the full limit. As you can see, my coolant limit is nearly topped off. Now in coolant there are two types. One is you can mix with distilled water, 50% of distilled water and 50% of coolant. Now in my system I have flushed this system and put only coolant. So if you do not know whether the previous owner has used distilled water plus the coolant, or if he has used only coolant, it's good if you can flush your radiator coolant system and add fresh coolant to it. After checking your coolant side, now it's time to check the air filter of the engine. And what you need to do is get a flathead screwdriver and get it inside this clip and push it down and open it. And open both clips, and you should be able to get access to your air filter. Air filter is the point where your engine takes cool air and get inside the engine. Now if you can see, my air filter is fairly clean, but it has some dirt. So I usually once a year. If your vehicle is under warranty, if you take your vehicle to the manufacturer to get your vehicle service, they will do this for you. Now reinstall your air filter and close the lid so that no dirt or dust will get inside. Clip them back on. But there are two types of engine oil. One is the fully synthetic oil and the other one is the regular oil. Synthetic oil will usually last longer but more expensive. But the normal regular engine oil, the choice is up to you whether to use the synthetic oil or the regular oil. I use the regular oil because I do my service intervals at every 2500 kilometers. Most manufacturers mention the type of engine oil that you need to put in your vehicle, but this particular model it has not mentioned. So you refer your owner's manual to what type of oil you need to put inside your vehicle. Replacing your engine oil periodically will ensure you a reliable motor. Get your dipstick out of the engine bay and clean it well, and reinstall it and see the level of engine oil. It's good rule of thumb, if you take some engine oil to your finger and it has some lubricant feed into it. And if your engine oil is clean like this, which means your engine oil is clean, and if it turns to a dark brownish color, which means it's high time you need to change your engine oil. It's a good rule of thumb if you can change your oil every 3000 kilometers. Or if you use fully synthetic oil, you can extend this period. Replacing the engine oil is far more cheaper than replacing an engine. Now this container contains brake fluid, and on top of the lid it says use only .3 braking oil. So it's fairly easy for you to know if your braking system has a fault. Now testing the braking system of your vehicle is fairly easy. If your brake pedal is floppy and if it takes longer response time to stop the vehicle, or when you brake, your wheels make a squeaking noise, which means there is some kind of fault in your braking system. And always check the limit of the brake fluid which is inside the engine bay. By checking your tire pressure on a regular basis will not only ensure long-lasting tire, because overinflated or underinflated tires will not function properly, because after all the main contact point with the road is your tire. So checking your tire pressure on all four wheels, which not only is responsible for your comfortable ride but also will increase the stopping power of your brakes. To check the tire pressure, you need a manual tire pressure gauge like this, or a digital tire pressure meter. You remove the dust cap of the tire and keep the tire pressure on the nozzle. Here it says 26.5 psi. I usually keep the front tires at 25 psi and the rear tires at 30. You can find a sticker on the side of the driver side. It will show you the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure. Now, by doing this regular maintenance tips, not only will ensure you a long-lasting engine but a safe journey. This entire process will take only 30 minutes. By doing this, you will not only take care of your vehicle, have a properly functioning vehicle. So, hit that like button and do subscribe for future cool videos like this. My name is Asanka. This is DIY with Asanka.